Dearest heart, everything that comes to you is about what you have got going on vibrationally, and what you have got going on vibrationally is usually because of what you are observing, but it does not have to be. The universe is saying to you today, life brings you opportunities to embrace with an open heart and mind. Allow opportunities to come to you and take advantage of them when they do, as they are appearing for a reason. Change comes from within you. Take the time to refresh, rejuvenate, and rebalance yourself. Type yes if you believe. Congratulations, your drought is over. You are going to be showered with blessings, healing, positive changes, love, new opportunities, and favor. Your most beneficial prayers are answered and manifested. Type Amen if you believe.